noises. I work tonight, so they're gonna make noises all kinds. Try to take a little break, but there's no breaks. Oh, but my life is a movie. Oh, I woke up 7. I watched a movie last night. It was a whack movie. Silent Hill was whack, and but I wanted to watch it because I had to get used to this schedule today. I had to go in at 5 p.m. and get out like at 2 a.m. and come home. I'll be home at 3 because I'm riding my electric scooter. That's why I put a hardship at work because that's crazy. They put me in a far ass division. I used to be down the street riding my bike. That was cool. Being all the way over there with no car right now because of oh god, yeah. But yeah, the noises. A little something that triggers it. I would be like, oh, autistic, but yeah, definitely something else. And they're doing it to others. And they're getting benefits out of it. Like, that's wild. That's sick. And it's not even the parents most of the time. You know, you're somebody's experiment. Be careful with the doctors. But have a beautiful day.